Welcome to the Phil Tracy Money Daily Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording. It's 4:18 p.m. Minute Central Time, and today is September 26th. And today, Friday, it's the big picture, long-term audio and video for the various different asset classes. And we've got plenty to talk about. And I think we are in a period of time where anyone who is bullish on precious metals is being richly rewarded, and at times like these, it is very easy to become overexcited. The times to be bullish and greedy when it comes to gold is when it is in the region of the 1,000-day moving average. Back in November of 2022, trying to demonstrate to people that there was a bullish argument around gold was a very difficult thing to do. It was underperforming, and we were in a period of time where the stock market had been in a funk as well, and there was a lot of angst going around. And since then, the price has more than doubled. So we obviously have some lessons that we should have learned over time, but the nature of a bull market is that it attracts investors. And as it attracts investors, it also attracts people who want to make money off of investors. And then the competition starts between those who can be the biggest bull. And the people who have been buying recently, they don't have much interest in listening to people who have modest projections. If you hadn't bought in 2023 or 2024 or until now in 2025, when gold prices have already gone up significantly, then if you're coming into buying now, well, you're not thinking about whether the price is going to get from 3,700 to 4,000. And you might be happy if it does. I think everybody's going to be happy if it does. But what those people will be thinking about is, when's it going to get to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10,000? And they have a great incentive to listen to those that are making the most bullish forecast. So as the price appreciates and as the pace of the advance increases, then you're going to have much more bullish forecasts. You're going to have much more ambitious rationalizations of what the bull trend is about. And they're going to sound very convincing. And of course they will be convincing because they're being supported by a very strongly advancing price. But I use this as an example of what we should anticipate in every big bull market, because the kinds of things that happen in bull markets are that they acquire investors from all over the world. They make it easier for people to buy, so you get innovative products that allow you to buy. Then the bullish forecasts persist. They get progressively more bullish, and the most bullish forecasts usually happen right at the top. And that also happens to be where the vast majority of people have accumulated their position, because it requires waves of new buyers to continue to come into the market in order to sustain that price. And this is not just true of gold. It happens in every other asset class as well. But we're in a very interesting environment now, because gold is not a stock. Gold is a metal, and it is something that has an emotional impact on investors.